Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not provide print, Excel and PDF report for casebook, but using this casebook report you can do this. So let's see. You can see here our module Dev Casebook Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to invoicing. Go to reporting and see here this menu casebook report. Now add details. I want to print casebook report of 1 December to 31 December. Add account. I add multiple accounts and now add journals. If you want to print date, so select date, and if you want to journal and partner, so select these options and select your target, all posted entry or all entry. I selected all. If you want to print PDF, so click on this PDF report option and otherwise print on Excel report. First I want to print PDF report, so click on. So see here casebook report is printed. Now I want to print Excel report. Again add details. Add account. Select all entries and click on casebook Excel report. So see here printed Excel report for casebook. Thank you.